making an apple butter brown sugar shaken espresso. I'm so excited. Okay, we have our oat milk, 2 shots of espresso in this little milk frother container. This is my homemade apple butter. I'm just gonna do about a teaspoon of brown sugar melted into my espresso just to sweeten it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna do a couple tablespoons of my apple butter. Maybe 3. I'm gonna do a lot because I wanna really be able to taste it. I'm gonna mix that up. And again, this is just espresso, apple butter, and brown sugar in here. Now this is the fun part because we get to shake it up. I'm pouring in my ice and oat milk into this cocktail shaker. This is a cocktail shaker from Brewmate, by the way. We love it. And then pouring in the espresso, apple butter mixture. Okay, it's really full. But that's okay because the top has extra room. Okay, now I'm just gonna shake it up. Okay, now we're pouring it back into the glass with the ice. Look how pretty. It's so creamy and frothy and beautiful. Now let's give it a taste test. So good. It really tastes like fall. It's really, really good. I want to say good morning, but it's not morning anymore. It's almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but I wanted to take you along on a Sunday in my life. I just showered in the middle of the day, so my hair is a little bit wet still. I don't typically shower in the middle of the day, especially on a Sunday, but I was feeling kind of icky from like all the cleaning and I was sweating a little bit. My hair needed to be washed, so that's what I did and I feel so much better. I also put on some makeup so I wouldn't feel like a troll vlogging today. This morning I made that apple butter latte like you saw. It was so good. And then Josh and I spent the morning just kind of cleaning around the house and tidying, and we spent a good amount of time shopping for vacuums online and like watching review videos because our vacuum just like totally pooped out recently and it's not working anymore, so we needed to get a new vacuum. So we spent a long time this morning just like doing research on vacuums, which is the most boring adult thing you could ever possibly do. But I actually really enjoyed it and I'm so excited for our new vacuum to come. I'll show you guys when it arrives. It's supposed to come on Tuesday, so that'll be in the next vlog probably. But this is just gonna be a very homey Sunday in my life. We don't actually have anything planned really. We might have some family over for dinner tonight, but I'm not sure yet. And I'm planning to make this slow cooker recipe from Half Baked Harvest. I'm currently obsessed with Half Baked Harvest again. I mean, it never stopped, but I just started cooking lots more of her recipes. Like that apple butter that I put in our latte this morning was her recipe. I made it in the previous vlog. Today I'm gonna make her slow cooker creamy white bean noodle soup with rosemary bacon. I mean, it just, look at it. It looks so good. I really need a new phone case. This Apple one, I've only had it for a couple months and it's like falling apart. I'm so excited to make this soup. It's a slow cooker one, so I need to get started on it really soon. It's almost 1 o'clock and it takes like 5 to 6 hours to cook. So I should probably get on that ASAP. But before I start cooking, I want to show you a quick little garden update. I am in shock at how fast the garden has started to pop off. Almost everything is sprouting. Let's go look. You are not ready for this. Okay, I don't want to take too long with this, but I just want to give an update. So the French breakfast radish is popping off. Look at that. The whole circle is completed. This is the marigold, which is a companion plant that is like, it just makes the rest of the garden healthier because it attracts good bugs and repels the bad bugs. Excuse all the noise of people doing their lawns around our neighborhood. The turnips are also very happy. We don't have any sprouts yet on the carrots or parsnips, but if you come over here, the beets, look at the little red sprouts. I also just ordered some new signs so that we could make these cuter because these are just the little plastic signs that came with the seeds that I bought. And here's a sunflower update. Look how tall they're getting. I planted them last Saturday and today is Sunday, and they are getting really tall. They're sprouting all over the place. There's still not that many in the middle, but I'm sure they will be popping up soon. It is another beautiful October day. I cannot get over this weather. just made myself the most delicious little afternoon snack. These are sourdough English muffins with Marmite and then the cinnamon dusted Toscana, I think that's how you say it, Toscana cheese from Trader Joe's. That is so good. I shredded it, put it on top, and then popped them in the toaster oven. We do have some family coming over for dinner, which I'm very excited about, but that's in a few hours. So I have so much laundry to put away, so I'm gonna do that after this. Tidy up the house a little bit more, even though I feel like all we've done all day is cook and clean. It's been like a really good little Sunday reset day. Okay, I'm gonna finish enjoying my snack and my vlogs, and I'll see you in a little bit. The laundry has been put away. The house is feeling so nice and tidy and clean. And I'm about to run to the grocery store because even though I went yesterday to buy all the ingredients that I needed, I forgot or didn't realize that I needed to buy egg noodles, heavy cream, and a few things. Like I need to get bug spray and stuff. So I am about to run out to the shops, but I thought before I go, I would show you what I'm wearing today. This little dress from Abercrombie, because I've been wearing it nonstop. I think this is like the third day that I've worn this dress this week, but I got it in two versions. I got this one obviously, and then I got it in a green and white stripe, and I just love them so much. They're just the easiest thing to throw on, and this is what the green one looks like. I just pulled it out of the closet to show you. It's really cute, I love it. Oh, the lighting is better this way. I seriously want to get it in every single color / pattern that it comes in because it's just the easiest thing to throw on. Makes you feel cute and put together. I got so many compliments on it randomly the other day when I went out and was running errands in this, and I just think it is the perfect thing to wear in Florida in the fall. Also, I'm wearing my little black Coach slides with it. Not the cutest pairing, but easy thing to throw on while I'm bebopping around the house and going to the grocery store. The house smells so good. When I got home and opened the door, I was like, wow, this smells like a very homey house, and it was making me very happy and emotional, honestly. I'm now about to make brownies for dinner, and I'm gonna add walnuts because brownies are better with walnuts, and my mom will be so mad at me if I don't add them. Every time I bake anything and it doesn't have walnuts, chocolate cookies, banana bread, brownies, and it doesn't have walnuts, she's like, there's just something missing. It needs like a walnut. So walnuts for mom. This is the best part that I would always ask my mom if I could do this part. Brownies are done. They look and smell so good. I just got such sad news that my brother and his family aren't gonna come tonight because they came down with some sort of stomach bug, which is really sad. So it's just me and Josh and my mom tonight. We definitely have way too much food, but I'm not complaining. I always love to have leftovers for lunch tomorrow and the next couple days probably. I'm so sad because I was in such like a hosting mode. The house just feels like peak coziness right now, and I just wanted them to come over and enjoy it, but it's okay. I just put on a playlist. I hope I'm not getting copyright infringement right now, but this playlist by Lex Nicoletta, who is like the OG coastal grandmother. She coined the term coastal grandmother. She's like one of my favorite follows on TikTok. I love her. She has a playlist called Autumn Gran. Can you see? This playlist is always playing in the house. It's super long. It's like almost 3 hours long. It's just such good, like moody, cozy music. A lot of it's really nostalgic, kind of folksy, but there's a really good mix of so many types of music, but they all just feel like fall somehow. So she really did it with this one. I'm gonna pause it now though because I don't want copyright problems. It is time to add the rest of the ingredients to the soup. This is what it looks like before. It smells so good. Good. It smells like incredibly garlicky. Keeping the vampires away over here. Josh is doing some garlic butter with chives to make toasty garlic bread. to go with our soup. This is gonna be so good. The house is feeling so cozy. It just feels like fall. I don't know what we're gonna watch tonight. I wanna watch a movie. Maybe Luckiest Girl Alive. It's like a new kind of psychological thriller on Netflix, but I read the book on the flight back from our honeymoon, so like 6 years ago. It was pretty traumatic and terrifying, so I don't know, I just have like bad vibes from finishing the book on an airplane and just like feeling weird and scared on the plane. But maybe the movie will be better, I don't know. Okay, my mom arrived. I'm filming on my phone because my camera could not handle the darkness, but look how much light these tiki torches give off. I love it. And also Josh has been grilling some steaks, so it smells so good. Dinner is served. We topped it with some rosemary bacon that I made earlier. Josh also grilled some steak. Hello, good morning. It is the next day. Dinner last night was so good. And we did end up watching The Luckiest Girl Alive, which was a massive mistake. We ended up having to fast forward through like a third of the movie because it was so traumatic and horrible and like graphic. So big regret was watching that movie last night. I would not recommend it. Not what you want to do, not what you want to watch to like relax at the end of the night. We should have definitely gone for something a little more lighthearted. I remember the book just feeling way more like lighthearted mixed in with like mystery, suspense, and like twists and turns. I didn't think it was all just gonna be like one big trauma dump. It was pretty bad. But anyway, I'm about to get ready for the day, and I thought I could share with you my skincare and my makeup, like everyday makeup. I feel like I haven't shared any like skincare favorites or makeup with you in a long time, so I thought it would be good to do it in this vlog. I just got 2 more of my favorite vitamin C serums in the mail because I ran out, and every time I run out I forget to like order ahead of time, so I just went ahead and ordered 2 just to stock up so that I'm not stranded next time I run out. But this is the Lumine Valo Nordic Sea Glow Boost Essence. I think I've talked about this in a vlog before because I've been using it for months and months, but it is just the most wonderful vitamin C serum. It smells so good. I ordered it from Target's website. I think it's a Finnish brand, like from Finland, and they just started stocking it in Target. It smells so good and it feels amazing. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's like extra moisturizing, which I feel like my skin really needs extra moisture right now. This brand, Lumine, has quickly become one of my favorite skincare brands, even though I've actually only tried 2 of their products so far, but both of them are amazing. It's from Finland. They do sell on Amazon, but I always order mine from Target. I don't know why buying skincare on Amazon or hair care or anything like that just always feels a little sketchy. I don't know why, but anyway, I order from Target.com. Because they finally stock at Target. They do have some Lumine products in store at Target, but I don't believe they had this in stock at my store. So anyway, that's a long tangent, but I love this vitamin C serum and I love this whole brand as a whole. Lumine is just beautiful. So vitamin C is always the first step, and then I just put on some moisturizer, and lately I've been loving this one by Rhode. It's their Barrier Restore Cream. It is really nice and very rich. I have heard that this breaks out some people because it has shea butter and it is like a rich cream, but I love it. My skin loves it and it has not broken me out at all. I also love her glazing fluid. I can't wait to order more as soon as it restocks. For eye cream, I use this Cocoa Kind eye cream, honestly just because they sent me one for free, which was so nice of them. And it's lasted me such a long time. I do it morning and night. To be honest, I don't know that any eye cream has ever done anything amazing for my eyes before. I love the La Mer eye cream. That is special, and I definitely notice a difference when I use that. But as far as like regular priced eye creams, I don't know that I've ever seen like a massive difference. But this just feels really good and really hydrating under my eyes, so I like that. And then the last step before makeup is always sunscreen. This is the Elta MD Broad Spectrum SPF 46, very specific, facial sunscreen. I love this. Is my favorite sunscreen. It feels so good on my skin. It smells amazing. It's very hydrating. This is probably my 5th or 6th bottle of this stuff. It is so good. And I also love the tinted version. In summertime, I will just wear that with some concealer and it's really nice. Now for makeup, I've been loving the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Foundation. Is that what it's called? No, Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I just apply it with my fingers, and I really just try to focus it where I need it, which my chin has a lot of redness, my nose has a lot of redness, and then under my eyes. It is definitely messy applying with your fingers, but I just think it gives such a nicer finish and it doesn't waste any product by soaking into a sponge. Kosas is still my favorite concealer. I do shade 2 under my eyes, and then shade 3.2 wherever else I need it. So a little bit around my nose, chin. I like to first blend out with my finger and then use a sponge to sort of finish blending it. NYX brow glue. I wish I was one of those girls who could just like sit and chat while I get ready, but I just have to focus too much. I don't know why. I feel like I would never get my makeup done if I was sitting talking to you the whole time. This is just a Sephora brand brown eyeliner that I just do on the outer corner. Just kind of roughly put it on, and then I take this angled brush and drag it out a little bit to sort of make a little lifted wing, but it's not much of a wing. For bronzer, I use the Fenty Beauty contour stick and just kind of go a little bit under my cheekbones. I basically use this as bronzer and contour. This definitely takes a second to blend out, but I really love the color and the warmth that it adds to my skin. It's in the shade Mocha, by the way. This is an IT Cosmetics brush. It's like the best makeup brush in the whole world, in my opinion. It's called Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection. I will link everything below. Don't you worry about that. Always curl your lashes. It makes the biggest difference. Tweezerman eyelash curler is amazing, and I never skip curling my lashes. This is the MAC Extended Play Mascara, and I've been using it for years, and I always go back to it. It's just so good. I almost forgot something that makes the biggest difference is taking the angled brush with whatever is left over on it and just giving my under eye a little bit of definition. And whenever I want to be extra glowy, I will add some Hourglass bronzer. This is the Diffused Bronze Light Ambient Lighting Bronzer. That is such a mouthful, but it is very beautiful. It's very glowy. I love the color that this gives. You have to be a little bit light-handed with it, or at least I do. Okay, finally doing the lips. This is the Clinique Black Honey Almost Lipstick, and it is my favorite thing. I feel like this is like a cult classic, like a viral makeup thing that was all over TikTok a few months ago. It's like sheer but buildable, so I do kind of put a lot on, and then I always top it off with the Rhode lip treatment that is basically lip gloss because it's so glossy and my lips feel so hydrated. It's basically like wearing a lip mask all day because this is hydrating and this is like insanely hydrating, so love. Okay, I'm all ready to go. This is why I love fall, because I can just wear a giant sweater with some black leggings, sneakers. This is like my favorite kind of outfit. I know I just look like a blob, but like that's my vibe. So anyway, oh, I also did my hair in this little pony braid again. I really like it. I just think it's a cute, easy hairstyle to do that like looks like you put a little bit of effort in, but it's so easy. I feel very glowy. I feel like I look so much more alive than when I started that clip. But my mom and I are about to head to the mall actually because I have got some errands to run and returns to make. I got to buy a birthday present. I also want to go to Trader Joe's. So I'm actually gonna end this vlog here and start a brand new vlog and take you along on what I get up to for the rest of the week. But I hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I've got lots of new videos coming for you 2 times a week. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon.